In the beginning of the fall season, I made many plans. I chose my seeds that I was going to grow for the fall, and I began to put my plan together. So I guess one of the biggest plans I had for the fall season of 25 is I wanted to grow enough brassicas for 3 families. Now, this harvest would be for not only 3 families, but for the 3 major holidays: Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. So that's a lot of greens, but I knew that if I could drop my seeds on time, and if I would take care of my greens, yeah, I could do it, right? So when I walk out here and look at my garden today, yeah, it's gonna be easy. Now, it is after Thanksgiving, and I did a major harvest for all 3 of the homes. And seriously, my garden don't look like I did a major harvest. But all 3 of the families had their greens, and we all been eating and still have lots and lots of leftovers. For the harvest for my Thanksgiving meal for the 3 families, I also harvest peppers, parsley, green onions, bay leaves. I harvest mint and lemongrass. I used so many herbs and vegetables from my garden to prepare my Thanksgiving meal. And the wonderful thing is that when you are growing it in your yard, and these are the things that you can pass by in the grocery store, it's a wonderful feeling. I loved it when I went out and I harvest my bay leaves for our gumbo. Yeah, baby. In my garden beds, you will find lots of, whoa, you will find lots of garlic, onions, leeks, basils. Yeah, that is for pest pressure, but it is also for me eating. So today I'm going to harvest broccoli, and I do have some side shoots from this plant, and I'm also going to harvest the greens from these broccolis. Yeah, so let me get busy. I'll share what it looks like, okay? All right, y'all. All right, so this is what I've harvested today. This is my broccoli and some leaves also. This is where I have harvest. Let's see. And that was this plant. This is where I took the main head of the broccoli and some side shoots. This was Jody's plant. So there we go. And this is what the bed still looks like. All right. Now this bed, I have not harvested anything from this bed this season. Now I have a caliboose. I have 2 caliboose in here growing, but they're doing good. I'm looking for this bed that we will harvest from it during Christmas or maybe New Year's. We'll see, but they are all doing good. Very good. Yeah. So let's see how my radish is doing. So these are my breakfast radish, and there is mushrooms growing in them, but that's okay. But they're doing good. the breakfast radish, that's what they are. Yeah, so they're doing good. I'm looking forward to them. I want to try this new recipe and hopefully I like it. And if so, we will drop more seeds. Yeah, we will drop more seeds. All right. So this is over by the Katrina brick, and of course that's that huge plant, right? But this plant, look at her, y'all. She's just all over. But as I said, I know who she is now. I didn't know at first who this plant was. You can look at the leaves. They're very, very huge. She's healthy. She's beautiful. She is a cabbage. That's who she is. And yes, she is in a Katrina brick. Here she is. Yep. Go girl. She's beautiful. This is another cabbage, and she is next to this pepper plant. Now, as you can see, this pepper plant, the weather is really acting upon her, but she is full of peppers. So if she is on her way out, I'm definitely going to get my peppers before she keel over, right? But she have lots of peppers on her. And as you can see, she still have lots of flowers, but we'll see. I'm going to keep my eyes on her. So this is another bed I have not harvested from her yet, and I will soon. And these are my calendulas. I'm looking forward to the flowers, y'all. Yeah. And here I have 2 mulberry cuttings. I just stuck it in the soil. Let's see what happens. Yeah. But there's my calendulas. The tomatoes, they're still looking great. There's 5 plants in here, so we're gonna have some rain today, so I'm not watering anything right now. I'm just gonna allow the rain to do its thing, but they're in here with a cutting from my bay laurel tree, which is right here. She is beautiful. Next to the lemongrass, who is just, she's huge, huge. She's in a box, and she is very, very tall. I've been enjoying her. So it will be one day next week. This is my pineapple pear tree. So I'm just gonna go one tree at a time, and the pineapple pear will be the first. No rhyme or reason, just because. And as you could see, all of those stems, and I'm gonna get Ben to cut all of that off. And when I get Ben to cut all of those limbs off right there at the bottom, right there, I'm going to spray my tree really well with marigold oil. That's what I'm gonna spray my tree with. And we're going to cut some of her down because she's just too tall, right? Yeah, she's gonna grow back, but yeah, we're gonna cut some of her down. Get ready for spring 2026. So this is my peach tree right here. Now, I purchased this peach tree in the middle of spring of this year, right? So I never received any peaches from it because, the season was over. But I'm going to spray her well and look forward to the peaches. I'm gonna look forward to the peaches for spring of 26. So the peach is my favorite fruit. It's the peach, y'all. So let's see if we can get some peaches. Yeah. And this is my white potatoes. These are my white potatoes. So they're in this huge box. I'm thinking I put about maybe 5 or 6 small white potatoes. There is a purple potato in here also. But yeah, as you can see, they're doing really good. They're growing beautifully. And there is a lime look on this side. So they are dying back, but I'm gonna let her go ahead on and do her thing. Hopefully, I'm looking for flowers. So after I receive my flowers, I'll look forward more to the dying of the plant. Yeah. But anyway, that's them, y'all. So I was talking to Jody and we were looking at the plantains, and then I saw her. I didn't know she was here. It's a new one. Wait, there's another one coming. That's number 10. Here's a new one coming right here. Right there. That's a new one. That's 11. Let me go around and let me see. Well, I know she's here. Let's see. I know that one is here. So, altogether so far, we have 11 plantain racks. Well, I've harvested 3. Yeah, I've harvested 3. Boom, boom, boom.